Hello everyone and welcome to my Minecraft screencast. For this creation I chose to present a part of the topic that we do for ancient Egyptian unit, and I thought a good way to do this would be to build the 3 ancient Egyptian pyramids. In this unit we look at the important discoveries made by the Egyptologist and the archaeologist Howard Carter, and one of the main learning outcomes that we assess for this unit is the student's ability to collect notes and use these notes to write a diary entry that really captures the emotions and feelings of the archaeologist Howard Carter. So if we come here to the first info block, this sets the scene for the students. It tells them that it's December 1922. It tells them that Howard Carter has lost his diary. Now, this would not be their first introduction to Howard Carter. They would have learned about him in class and know about his famous discovery of the tomb. But this would tell them that they would need to put together the Carter's diary entry and basically what they need to do, which is walk into each pyramid where they will find 2 pieces of information in each one. So the students would then walk into the first pyramid and they will be numbered so that the students will know that they are on the right track. So here they'll come up to pyramid number 1. They'll find another info block that just basically tells them what they have to do. You are now at the first pyramid. Find the 2 pieces of information in the info blocks. So they would walk into the first pyramid. And what I wanted to do with this creation was to really capture the feelings and the emotions of the archaeologists as they search for information, as they search for and make important discoveries. So here the students would come up here, they'd find the first info block over here, and it would give them the first piece of information. Now they would have to read it carefully. It is early morning of the 3rd of November 1922 in a hot and dusty valley in Egypt. Egyptian workers are searching, digging away the stone and sand. I know there must be something there. They would have to take notes because they know that this will be an important part in putting their diary entry later on. And then they would go and they would look, they would search here, and they find the second piece of information. Again, take notes, keep track of what they are finding. After they've found the 2 pieces of information, they would walk out of the pyramid and then go into the second one where they will have to look for another 2 pieces of information. And these info blocks are really just to keep them on track, to let them know that they're doing the right thing. They're at the second pyramid. Remember, there are 2 pieces of information to collect. And again, reminds them that they need to take notes. So they will go inside. Again, it's the same thing. They will need to look carefully. And once they've found it, they will take here as they find the second info block, and then they will take information that is written here as well. Now, one of the limitations that I see with this assessment is that the actual assessment itself will take part outside of Minecraft. So although they're piecing in the information in from Minecraft, but they will have to write the diary entry outside. So for me, I think that's it's a limitation because I'm not sure how to get students to write their own information within Minecraft. But I think as at a later stage, this could be integrated in this activity as well. So now we come up to the 3rd pyramid. Again, that's the final one, and it just reminds the students that after they've collected the 5th and 6th pieces of information, they would be ready for their assignment. So then the students would quickly go inside. This is the smallest pyramid, so it's actually quite easy to find the info blocks. And then once they've found that, they are now ready for the assignment. They would come out here, and this would tell them what they have to do. So basically the assignment is write Howard Carter's diary entry, and an important thing is for them to describe the events of the day and his feelings. And like I said before, it's important for them to really put themselves in his shoes and to capture the feelings that he has as he makes his discovery. I hope you've enjoyed the screencast, and I hope you've learnt a bit about the ancient Egyptian unit from it as well.